Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. I'm Kathy Markham with Markham Realty. I'm here at 1801 Rollingwood in Elkins Lake to show you one of the dreamiest houses that we have on the market right now. It's December, the lights are on and the decorations are out, and so I'm going to take you through this house and show you what these owners have done. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, a little over 2,700 square feet, and it looks wonderful inside. So let's go in and look around. Homes that have been upgraded and maintained well will hold their value, such as this one. The owners have resurfaced their hardwood flooring. The appliances are new. Take a look at this gorgeous kitchen. There's so much storage, plenty of counter space. We've got a formal dining room behind me, and also walking into this living room, you'll see that it is set up perfectly for entertaining. This is truly a dream remodel master bathroom. It really feels like a spa in here. The shower's been redone, the beautiful tub, all of the features that you see in here coordinate so well with the granite and the tile accents. So while the master bedroom and bathroom is downstairs, upstairs there are 3 very large guest rooms, and the second story is loaded with storage space. So just because it's cooler outside doesn't mean your guests have to be. This pool is heated. It's got a great layout for entertaining. There's a patio area, and also we need to mention that this house has a 3-car garage. We're sitting on a large corner lot, and it's outfitted with a whole house generator. Well, there you have it. Everything about this house truly says welcome home, and I hope you've enjoyed looking at it as much as I have. So if you'd like to see it in person, give us a call or look us up online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.